great day. I'm Cyril Shin Medina.
And I'm John Paul R. Rafael.
And welcome to our vlog. So, in this video, we will be discussing about light, wavelength, and electromagnetic spectrum.
So afterwards, we will be showing to you guys our color mixture experiment.
So first, I will be discussing about light. So let's define light. Light is the electromagnetic radiation with certain portion of electromagnetic spectrum. So this light refers to a light that are visible to human eyes and responsible for sense of light. So dating nga light ti bagbaka na nagkwagag kit dating nga light ti mangteted iti kulay nga makikita tayo taglawlaw tayo. Digiti bagay-bagay nga ta kulay na. Kay naawan dating nga light awan no pati magita kasla darkness or nothing. So other definition of light is energy that travels through space. So light ada kami light ada awagan na kami ng electromagnetic wave. So therefore at the wavelength na. So let's define the wavelength. So wavelength is the distance measured or distance between two peaks or crest. And I will be discussing to you the illustration about this wavelength. So I will be showing you an illustration. So datang illustration, dating amin light adaw awagan nga electromagnetic wave. So dagito electromagnetic wave at the wavelength na. Tawagan tayo nga wavelength ket kay crest ama ko na. Daga jay bundok isunok kwa dagi jay. Then jay between two crests isumit no kwa ni wavelength. So wavelength is the measurement of distance between crest. Ken dagi jay bundok jay babana taawag na no kwa dagi jay ket throw or trough. That is light and wavelength. So my partner will be discussing about electromagnetic spectrum.
So electromagnetic spectrum refers to the variety of electromagnetic radiation frequency as well as their wavelengths and photon energies. The parts of electromagnetic spectrum is termed radio waves, microwaves, infrared light, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays and gamma rays in order of increasing energy. So the electromagnetic spectrum is divided into two, which are invisible and visible spectrum. So my partner will discuss the visible spectrum.
So visible spectrum. Let's define visible spectrum. It is a light that cannot detected by our naked eye. So I will be enumerating the different kinds of invisible spectrum. So first is radio wave. Radio wave is the longest wavelength and lowest frequency. Radio wave is used to send signal of radio and television all around the world. And radio wave is used to send information and receive information people everywhere. Second is microwave. So microwave is used for communication satellite. It is used for microwave cooking and for radar, airway traffic control. Third is infrared wave. So infrared wave is the production of hot bodies such as human head in the sun. It is used for conventional oven cooking and it is used for optical fiber communication, and also with our television remotes are using this kind of wave. Fourth is ultraviolet radiation. So we all know that the main source of UV radiation is the sun. We cannot see this kind of wave, but it can harm our skin like skin burn. Fifth is X-ray. So X-ray is used for capturing photograph of our bones in our human body. And lastly, our gamma rays. So gamma rays can kill cancer cells and sterilize equipment and increase shelf of food. And that are the different kinds of invisible spectrum. And then my partner will be discussing about visible spectrum.
So Visible spectrum refers to the part of the electromagnetic spectrum that can be seen with the naked eye. So, the visible spectrum has 7 colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, also known as the Roy-G-Viv, are the colors with the longest and shortest wavelengths.
So we finished defining what is light, wavelength, and electromagnetic spectrum, and the two types of electromagnetic spectrum. We are here at our experiment room to execute our activity named color mixing activity, and the materials will be discussed by my partner by my side.
So before we start the color experiment, we will be introducing our materials, which is the 3 LED flashlights, Yema wrappers as our primary colors, which is red, green, and blue. And we will be using Scotch tape to attach it to the LED flashlights. As you can see, here is our primary colors, which is red, blue, and green. With the combination of these 3 primary colors, the secondary appears, which is the cyan, yellow, and magenta. So, magenta comes from the combination of the primary color blue and red. And the yellow appears from the combination of green and red. And lastly, cyan appears with the combination of green and blue. So, this is our primary and secondary colors. That's all, and thank you.